Howdy. Ping Pong, a game of speed, precision and strategy. But behind every match there is a story. Let me tell you about one unforgettable game. It began as a playful after-dinner activity for the upper class. Imagine this, gentlemen and ladies in elegant attire turning their dining tables into makeshift ping-pong courts. To play they used cigar box lids as paddles, wine corks as balls, and books lined up as the net. They even called it names like whiff-whaff and gossima. The sound of the ball bouncing on the table gave the game its charming nicknames. By the early 19th, the game evolved into a serious sport. The name ping pong was trademarked by a British manufacturer and specialized equipment like celluloid balls. Here is a fun fact. Ping pong is one of the fastest ball sport in the world, with the ball traveling up to 70 miles per hour. It's also an Olympic sport, added to the games in 1988. So let's look into the code and maybe find out something interesting and new for us. You can see main scene uh, with attached script with four dynamic variables like enemy pedal, player pedal, ball, and UI elements. We have three functions: enemy scored, play scored, and reset game state. Let's look at the component panel. We have paddle. Let's look here. Paddle, left, enemy paddle, right, camera, which look to these elements: top wall, bottom wall, ball, left edge, right edge, and UI element. Its score, as you see before. Let's look into code more deeply. UI elements, it's uh, text which show our scores, and this just update enemy points and update player points and show it on the screen. Right edge, it's signal emitted when ball faced or encountered with right edge. The same with left edge. Absolutely the same code, absolutely the same functionality. Ball has different implementation. You can see here's initialized initial ball speed, speed multiplier. You can see here. So when we run this game, this function started, and it's change position of ball. Here we can see collision for this, and that's all for ball. As you can see, signals you can hear, you can see here mm, signal ball. uh, Bottom wall, it's just uh, sprite and collision shape component. The same is top wall, any script, enemy paddle. You can see here um, speed. It's this rigid body element and paddle. Um, the same speed movement to button attached up and down, and change vector of this paddle. Let's look into enemy paddle. As you can see, it's mm, like simple optimization, simple movement of enemy paddle on the screen. So let's try to play. We can see like enemy paddle move it in direction when in direction where ball is moving. And it gives feelings like you play with computer which know how to play this game, but it's just very simple realization. And I think it's that's all for this implementation, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.